Starry ones, welcome. Today we're making a skirt. Step 1. Press out all the deep wrinkles in your fabric. Make sure your fabric is super straight and easy to pin and cut. Once you are done with that step, we will fold it in half with the right sides inside, facing each other. Step 2, fold it and cut. Measure down 9.5 inches to mark the waistband, and from there another 16 inches for the length of the skirt. Fold the fold to the selvage to make this pyramid shape, and mark a curved waistband. We measured for 7 inches so that we end up with 28 inches, and cut. Next, you're going to mark down from the waist to the hemline 16 inches so that we will end up with a 15-inch length skirt. Mark at several points and draw a curved line with pencil or chalk. This is what you should end up with, a nice half circle skirt. Next, we're going to do the waistband. It is 5 inches by 28 with a finish of 4, and you're going to need to have 2 ribbon pieces that are 2 inches finished, so 5 inches by about 25 inches times 2. Pin them and sew 1/2 inch. Leave an opening on your ribbon pieces and leave a 3-inch opening at the skirt side seam for the opening. And here we are starting at the opening, leaving 3 inches open and sewing 1/2 inch down the side seam of the skirt. Remember, right sides of the fabric together. And there are the 2 ribbons. They're sewn with one side open, so we can clip and turn them next. Pin your waistband to your waistline of your skirt, right sides together. Just walk the curves to straight, and it's okay if you get a few little bends. As long as it matches, use more pins if you need to get it smoothly matching. Then you're going to sew a 1/2 inch. Until it is secure all the way around, and then you're going to fold it in half and bend a 1/2 inch seam allowance inside, just like so, and pin it and sew in the ditch. Lastly, you want to roll the hem on your skirt with a quarter roll hem and press it with the iron so it will stay put and it will be much easier to handle and pin. Then you're going to take it over to the machine and stitch as close to the edge as you can. For a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around. Lastly, you want to pop those ribbons into the open ends of the waistband on the side opening, and you're finished. Great job.